Any real-world Angular application will have more than one component. And if there are more than one component, then it is very important to learn how to pass the data among all these components. But before passing the actual data, it is also very important to understand what are the different types of relationship among all these components. So first, let's understand the concept of relationship with a real world example. Let's say here we are having a lady, and this lady has two children. Now what is the relation among all these three members? This lady is the parent and these children are the child. So if we talk about them individually, this lady and this child, then this is the parent and this is the child. So this is a parent relationship and this is a child relationship. Now what is the relation among these children? They are siblings to each other, and this tree will go on. It means these children again can have multiple children. In that scenario, this will be a parent and these will be the children. This one can also have multiple children. The count does not matter. Basically, the relation are three. First is parent to child, second is child to parent, third is sibling. And there could be one more scenario where we might have one more member and it is completely unknown to us. But in some cases, this family might need to communicate with this member as well. So these are basically some types of relationship with a family. Now let's relate this concept with the Angular components. Here is a similar structure. So this one is a parent component. This parent component is having two child component. The relation in between these two components is this is a parent, this is a child. So if we are passing something from parent to child, then it will be parent to child. If we are passing something from child to parent, then it would be child to parent. Similarly, these are having siblings relationship. And just like we have seen in a real family, this component again can have multiple children and this tree will go on. Let's understand the situation in the bookstore application. We are working on this bookstore application, and if I run this application by using the npm start command, our application is working on the browser. Now let's go to the home page. Here we are. This is the public components, this is the home, and this is the home component. On this component we are not having any children component. Let's say on this home page I want to display a list of all the authors that we have in this application. So for that, first let's create a new component, and I want to place this component in the shared folder because I want to use it at multiple places. The location of the component will not matter in this case as long as the module has access to that particular component. So in this shared we are having multiple components. Over here I want to create one more component. I can do that easily. ng g c, just place the proper path, and I want to keep the author, and let's define the module as well. So the module is shared. Hit the enter button. We are having one more component over here. This is the authors. Here we are having only one simple text. This is author works. Okay, and this is the selector for this particular component, app authors. Let's go to the shared module, and because I want to use this author component in other modules as well, so I have to declare it in the exports array. This is the authors component and I can declare it over here in the authors. Now we are telling this application that this component is ready to get used in other modules, and we can simply copy this selector. We are not having any code over here. Let's go to this home page, and over here let's put a title, and here I want to use that component. Just save the changes, go back to the browser. On the home page you will see we are having this title, and this message we are getting from the authors component. So let's talk about the relation. In this scenario, this home component is the parent and this author component is the child. The relationship is from home to author is parent to child, and from author to home is child to parent. Now let's see what is the sibling. For this scenario, let's go to the books module, and here we are having multiple components. This is the all books component. This is one component, and this is the second component, that is the book detail. In this scenario, they are not directly related to each other, but they are under one module, so they are basically the siblings. And if we talk about the scenario where I want to establish the communication in the all books component and the home page, then they are completely unknown to each other. So these were some basic types of relation among the components. Now we need to understand how to pass the data among all these components.